entertainment industry was very festive this week. Here's the Intense 5. The case involving dancehall artist Skeng and the authorities at Norman Manley International Airport has been dismissed. Apparently the application was made and the judge agreed. Spice did it again. We kinda knew she wasn't pregnant, but what a plan! And the song for her rebirth is great. Bold says he would give us his achievements on the track to score the winning goal for Manchester United in the Champions League. What a way him passionate, no sir? A $3 million mausoleum will be built to house Merciless remains. I'm sure it's gonna be fancy. And finally holding the spot this week, the attack on the beryllium van. Boy, I don't know what to say. Really happy they survived though, but the robbers made off with $23 million. That is crazy. Guys, please be safe out there. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in everything entertainment.